Hi, my name is Nelson. I'm a postgraduate student at Bangor University and I'm running for General Senator. I'm currently, or was last year, Senate Chair, and I've been also involved in several Bangor University student bodies, such as the Postgraduate Students Forum. I think it will be a good addition to have in Senate. I have quite a wide experience dealing with students, not only undergrads but postgraduates. So I hope you vote for me in this Senate election.
Thanks, Nelson. First question would be, if elected, how will you engage with the student body to capture their ideas, issues and opinions?
I think it's important to actually take the Senate out to the students, meet students in the streets where they are actually coming out of lectures, library, and actually engage with them more closely. It's important for them to understand that we're present, not just in the office or in our rooms or just in our meetings. I think we have to get people more access to democratic institutions as the SU. And I think voting is a good thing to do, and we did a few sessions last year. I think it's the way forward, and also make sure that we could engage and senators and sabbatical officers go to society meetings or club meetings just to promote even more the student union and the ideas. The ideas that students can put forward through the Senate to make them policies.
Fantastic. In your opinion then, what's the best thing about being a student here at Bangor University?
There's quite a lot of things, but I would say that Bangor is, because it's quite a small city, you end up knowing almost everyone, and it's quite a good feeling. We're like a big family, and it's interesting how the international students interact with home students, and that is, I think, enriches our life as students. And I think and the student union has in recent years tried to develop that connection and create more a welcome environment for the international students and for the home students also.